Third one is Golgi apparatus. Okay, so the proteins which are being synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, what happens to those proteins? That is where your Golgi apparatus comes in. Golgi apparatus is also, you have a nucleus here, you have your endoplasmic reticulum, a similar flattened structure is called your Golgi apparatus. It is a smooth, flattened membrane structure similar to your endoplasmic reticulum also. It is also having a cisternae inside. Now, what is the function of Golgi apparatus? Main function is sorting, packaging and secretions of protein. The proteins, once they are synthesized in the ribosomes of your endoplasmic reticulum, they are transported to the Golgi apparatus. This is your Golgi apparatus. From here the proteins are transported to Golgi apparatus, where they undergo sorting, packaging and secretion. Once they are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, certain carbohydrate moiety are attached to the proteins. Carbohydrates attached to the proteins, which are then called glycoproteins. Okay, these glycoproteins are the ones that reach your Golgi apparatus. In the Golgi apparatus, their signals are read upon by the apparatus and they are sorted out. Okay, sorted out and realized where they have to be targeted. Then they are packaged and secreted into the corresponding target cells. Like suppose you have your immunoglobulins. Okay, for immunoglobulins there are continuous secretion by the plasma cells. So immunoglobulins are continuously being produced and they are secreted by the plasma cells. Okay, so that is one type of proteins being synthesized in the ribosomes and brought to the Golgi apparatus. From there, through the cell membrane, they are released by the plasma cell. Continuous. Okay, that is one example. Another type of protein releasing, suppose only when there is need for that protein synthesis. Suppose your hormone insulin. Okay, this is one example. Second example, hormone insulin. It is released from the pancreatic SNR cell only when there is requirement, only when there is an increased carbohydrate content in the body. So what happens, even if this hormone is synthesized, it will be brought to Golgi apparatus and it will be included in a secretory vesicle and stored near the plasma membrane. It will be released only when there is an increased stimuli, increased need for insulin secretion. Okay, that is another type. You have one clinical application for Golgi apparatus, Sjogren's syndrome. This is actually antibodies produced against Golgi apparatus. Okay, your Golgi apparatus will be destroyed by autoantibodies, which will lead to Sjogren's syndrome.